Are you preparing for TG-TET 2020-26 and you want to clear it in first time only? You're having difficulty in the preparation? Then don't worry, I'm here to give you preparation strategies which are easier for you to follow and would help you clear the exam in first time. First is to maintain a timetable. It is always better to use at least 1 hour, especially for TG-TET preparation. Daily 1 hour is better so that it is easier for you to concentrate. Next strategy is to focus on understanding the concepts. Many people do this mistake. They instead go for learning all the topics together and they don't want to learn the concepts. But it is best if you learn the concepts because they help you to keep the memory for the long time till exam you will remember it. Third is to start early preparation. It is better to start early preparation because you would have time to revise the concepts once again before the examination and you would know what are your weak points and what are your strengths in the TET exam. Next is to prepare self notes. It is always better to write your own notes because the concepts would be easily understood if you prepare it on your own. All the concepts, when you are writing, it would be memorized in your memory and you will be able to write it and it is easier for you to revise. Next is to concentrate on weak areas. For example, science students are slightly weaker in maths, so you can concentrate on mathematics, and whereas math students would be slightly weaker in science, then you can concentrate on that. Social students can concentrate on history, like that. Next is to practice MCQs. Many people don't do practice of MCQs, which would later would make you difficult to solve the questions because learning concepts and doing MCQs are different. And if you like my videos for more TET and CTET strategies, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below how you liked my video.